All right, guys. So the last thing is I'm going to show you how to access your assignment and set my expectations. So the first thing, of course, you're going to do is you're going to watch the Nearpod lesson. If you're watching this video right now, then you are in the Nearpod lesson. Once you've completed the Nearpod lesson, you're going to click on your Friday assignment, Food Web. And when you click on Food Web, it's going to take you to this. So step 1, complete the Nearpod and take notes in your ecosystems notebook on slide 18. So I need you to go ahead and do that if you've not already done that. After you've taken your notes, then you're going to make a copy of this document. So you're going to click on the link there or tap on it, and it's going to prompt you to make a copy. And then here you have a copy of the assignment. Food Web Research. It says go to the resources below and read or watch the information provided and take notes in the columns below. You must write at least 2 facts in complete sentences from each source. So you're going to tap on the picture and then a link will come up and you will either watch the video or go to the website and look at the research that is there for each of those. And again, remember, you're going to write at least 2 complete sentences. So you're going to double tap underneath the picture when you're done. And you're going to be able to type in those boxes there. Then, after you have typed 2 complete sentences from each source, you are then going to create a food web using the clip art below. You will arrange the pictures and move the arrows showing the way in which the energy moves. Once you've completed your food web, go to the next slide and answer the questions based on the food web that you've created. So the first thing you're going to do is you've got to remember that all of the energy from the food web starts with your producers. So you've got to find the starting point for your food web first. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the first one, and I'm going to move it down here to the bottom because remember, that is where it starts. The producers are the only thing that can convert energy from the sun. There are multiple producers, so you need to pull them all to the bottom. And then you need to decide which organisms eat those producers. So, for example, a grasshopper eats grass, but a caterpillar also eats grass, and a caterpillar eats grapevine. So, that tells me that a grapevine may be another producer. So then, once I've pulled those down here because they both eat grass, then I'm going to drag the arrows to show the direction in which the energy flows. So it flows from the grass to the caterpillar. It flows from the grasshopper or from the grass to the grasshopper. Okay? Then you've got to decide which organisms receive energy from the grasshopper or from the caterpillar, and those would be next. Once you have completed all of your food web, so you've decided where all of these organisms go, you will then answer questions about the food web that you created. So the grasshopper eats. What does the grasshopper eat? You're going to complete that sentence there. The blank are eaten by owls. Double tap there, erase those lines, and say, what is eaten by the owls? The what? You're going to complete that sentence. If the moth population tripled, then the water lilies. So you got to go back to your completed food web. This is not complete, but it looks like the moths eat the water lilies. So if there was an increase in the moth population, that means they're going to be eating more of the water lilies. So, what is that going to do to the number of available water lilies? After you have completed that, I want you to share the document with me and then attach it to Echo using the plus sign. So, again, you're going to type in my name, Whitney dot Hernandez at cravenk12.org. Usually, when you start typing in my name, it comes up automatically. And then you're going to share it with me and you're going to attach it in Echo.